What's up everyone? Today we're going to be checking out this front and rear 4K dash camera, the FITCAMX dash cam. If you're looking for a clean factory style dash cam set up with high video quality, this one might be exactly what you need. In this video I'll show you what's in the box, how to install it step by step, and how the app works. So let's get into it. Let's have a look what is inside this box. You get two boxes. In here we have the tool to remove the shroud. We have a little USB adapter, and we have the wiring which connects to behind the back of the mirror. This is what makes things a little bit more simple. Next we have the instructions, the manual, and also if you needed any support. So there's a little card in there if you need any support. I'm just going to turn this that way a minute so I can rest the box on. Now this has been sent out to me to test and review. No money is exchanged hands, and I've told them I will be given an honest, non-biased review of the camera, the installation and everything. So let's have a look. Inside here we have the camera, which is OEM style, so makes life a little bit more simple and looks more stylish as well. So yeah, I've been sent this out to do a test and review on it. They've kindly sent it me, and I get to keep it. And it's basically me installing this into the car. Now, on this one, because I've got the front and rear dash cam, they've also sent out a phone holder with it, which to me is ideal because obviously it doesn't show a display of the screen, but if you wanted to see, you want your camera on to see the live footage of it, you've got this as well. In this one we have the rear camera. So let's get out, let's go and get this installed, and let's see how easy it is and how good and how stylish it looks. So this is the car, what it was going to be going in. You can't really see because we've not got the best weather, but inside there is like an housing behind the back of the mirror, and what we're going to do is install this FitCamX inside here. So first of all you've got to remove this little bit of a cowling which is here. So you remove that from here, and we've got somebody with us who's basically seen that we've got this and he's thinking about buying one himself, so he wants to see how easy it is to go in. So if you see him in the video, it's because he wants to see how easy it is to install, and he's going to order one. So let's just check it out. Let's open the box, Mick.
Okay, then we'll do.
Right, so we need, like I just showed you, that's the cowling. Inside here we need that little blue thing clip for undoing it. So just prise that down, bottom. That's how easy it is to come away. So if you look here, the back of this is a Kia Sportage GT Line S. If you have a look on this bit here, this is the bit what's got to be unplugged. Is if we replaced that one with the lead what they give you with this, so you put that in there, then it gives you this bit so you can plug it into here, and what that does is then powers your camera up. So there's no wires looping round everywhere to power it up, no going to the fuse box, cigarette lighter. You've not got one which is just shoved on your window, a dash cam, and wires everywhere. This way is a lot OEM style, makes it look like it's factory fitted. So the next thing is just basically push and it all clips in place. So there's no messing about and there's no wobbleness with the shroud. That's what it's called, a shroud. So next thing is putting this other clip back in to add all this. So I've only got one hand, Mick's got no hands, so we're just going to get it all installed now. So, but basically that's took a couple of minutes, if that, and that's only because of me being a little bit timid of this, and I didn't need to be. What you got to do, this is for the front cam, you've just got to basically line these up with the little arrows. There you can see a little arrow, just line it up with that, with the other one, and then connect them. So that is it then, fastened in to the back. So just have a show you how neat it looks. And now you can have a look at my beautiful face. You see it? There you go. So basically that's all sorted in now. That's it, clicked in, everything's in. Just got to thread the rear view camera all the way around here and route it. Now everyone knows I do honest reviews. If I'm doing something and I think it's rubbish, I'll tell you it's rubbish, or I won't even video it. So basically I've got Mick with me now. He's just been, like I said, he wants one, but he wants to see how easy it is to install. How easy has it been, Mick?
Very easy. Can't believe how easy it is, Daz. I'll be honest. It's been perfect. What's that, took 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So 5 minutes up for that bit. Now we've just got to thread the camera from the front to the back. You don't have to have the front and rear camera. It's just basically that's what they've sent me. And like I said, I've not been paid for this. It's just basically give it me to test it, and I get to keep it. So let's crack on and get the rest of the wiring threaded through. With the rear view camera, basically I'm just tucking it up into the lining of the roof of the car. Then I'm going to come down and just tuck it into this, and then come down the trim and route it all the way to the back. So just coming down the lining, pull the wire through. So this is all just being tucked underneath the lining of the roof, so it makes it a little bit more discreet, and it's not taking long. You can see I'm just feeding it straight through. I'll just put the other bit back, and then carry on with the rest. So then I'm coming back through the back of here. Just makes everything look a lot more tidier. And this is the only wire basically. It's only because I've had the rear camera fitted in as well that look how simple that is. It just hides and tucks away without any messing about. So you've got all your camera settings here.
Okay, mate.
So exposure, loop recording every minute, so I'll change that to every 3 minutes. Sound recording, you want that on, so, or if you don't want it on, if you've got a bit of privacy, you want some privacy, to turn that off. Collision sensing is low, I leave that at low. And Wi-Fi is connected to firmware version, and then you can format the SD card. So if you format it, that clears all the camera, and you're ready to go again. And that's it. That's your camera files. There's two, so that's what we're in now. So that's showing one camera at the front, and it's showing the one at the back, and it's timestamped as well. 1225, 15 megabytes, 7 megabytes, 1225, front and back recorded. Right, so let's have a look how it looks inside. What it looks like from the outside. Proper OEM style. Looks like it's been factory fitted. Look at that. And then you've got your little SD card slot at the side. You've got your little buttons underneath. And then you've got your camera. Look at that. Look at how neat and how tidy it looks. It's also available, if you look on the left hand side now as I'm scrolling down, you can see exactly how many different models it covers, and it's cheaper than buying from anywhere else. So have a look in the description, and I'll put a link there where it will take you directly to FitCamX, and you get a discount off as well. So 8% discount off. So check it out, see what you think. It looks absolutely brilliant. You can't fault it, honestly. And the little camera is just inside at the back there, you can hardly see it. So yeah, absolutely brilliant. And the good thing is, I get to keep it. So thanks FitCamX, and hope anybody who's looking at buying one, look in the description, look at the link, click on the link, and it'll automatically deduct the 8% off for you. So thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you all soon, and it's bye from now, and
bye. Bye. Cheers, mate.
So here, I'm just going to show you a little bit of footage of going down the street. It's basically 16:14, so it's 4:15 at night, and you can see how clear everything is. So like I say, you can see everything's quite clear. Driving along, and obviously I'm keeping my distance from the cars, as you can see, and yeah, very happy with it. Having the camera now, it makes you think of different scenarios. If he was to go in reverse and then say I've drove into the back of him, I've got evidence that it wasn't my fault. But you can see, look at the number plate, how visible it is. You can see every letter on it. And then this is the rear view camera. Now obviously look at the cars coming past us and one coming behind us. Look how clear his number plate is. Even the person inside and the bus coming at the side of the bin. So you can see how clear everything is there. And then obviously the sun glaring in my eyes. You can see this, and obviously the wagon's in front, so I do keep my distance quite a lot. because you never know what's going to happen or what's around the corner. Oh, thing is, when people flash the lights at you, I'm always dubious about doing it and pulling back out in case they just put the foot down and go straight into me and then say it was my fault I pulled out on them. But with a camera, you can prove they did flash you and it wasn't your fault. As you can see in this bit, obviously it's quite, the sun's come out now and clouds are nice and clear. It's when that sun hits you in your eyes. So I'm just going to show you now, carry on with a few more bits of videos, and I'm going to show you what it's like at night time. Look how clear this one is. That is very clear. It's that clear you could say that obviously you can see the driver, what he's doing in it. A little bit darker on this one. It's only 4:15 at night time, but you can see the clouds are going. It's going a bit darker, and you can still visibly see the number plate on the car in front. Now, if I would have been going any faster, and this car would have pulled out of me like it just has done, it could have been me to blame. But with the evidence, I could have proved with the dash cam. Absolutely brilliant. Give me a peace of mind, knowing that I'm covered. Here's another one. The back of the night time, cars following me from behind. You can see how visible the bus stop is, the signage on the roads. And you can see the number plate, how visible that is as well. You can read it out straight away. You can see how many people's in the car. You can even see the person in the back when I put my brake lights on. Anyway, thanks for watching everybody, and I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks very much.